So, we just watched the video on if yawning is contagious. So here's the data. If the subject yawned, I find it nice if I actually have lines here. It's easier to read. So if the subject yawned, yes or no, total. If they have the yawn seed, meaning somebody yawned at them before they went into their little box. So, we're going to call P1 the true proportion of people who give the yawn seed will yawn. So, given the yawn seed, yes, they have the yawn seed. Did they yawn? Yes. That is 10 out of the total number of people who got the yawn seed. So, 10 out of 34, which they said was 29%. 10 divided by, 34, not 24, is 0.294, so about the 29% they said. And then we're going to call P2 the true proportion of people who were given no yawn seed but still yawned. So no yawn seed, excuse me, but yawned is 4 out of 16, which is 0.25. So what is the difference between P1 hat and P2 hat? 0.04. 0.29 minus 0.25 is 0.04. And as you guys just saw in Mythbusters, they said that that's enough to say that yawning is contagious. Do you guys agree with them? Yeah.
Yes, the sample size is over 30.
Sample size is greater than 30. But is a difference of 0.04 something that doesn't happen purely by chance? Or did it happen purely by chance?
No, it's less than the alpha.
But that you want to know if P is, your P value is less than the alpha level, not the difference between the two.
I don't know.
So that's what we're going to look at today is we're going to find a P value and then we're going to decide if it's statistically significant or if a difference of 0.04 can occur purely by chance. So we'll just put maybe for now.
Well, yeah, I think it can be purely by chance, but it doesn't.
You don't think it happened purely by chance?
No, because we all know that yawning is something.
They say that if you watch somebody yawn and then you yawn, that you're more sympathetic versus somebody who watches somebody yawn and doesn't yawn. So, down here, in this activity, we will investigate whether the results of the experiment are statistically significant or if they occurred purely by chance. So we're going to see what would happen purely by chance if we randomly assign the 50 people in this experiment to two groups. Yawn seed, meaning they saw somebody yawn, or no yawn seed, many times. And we're going to assume the treatment received doesn't affect whether or not a person yawns. Okay? So we're saying that if they get the yawn seed, it has no effect on whether they're going to yawn or not. If they don't get a yawn seed, that has no effect on whether they're going to yawn or not. So I'm going to hand out a deck of cards to you guys. And you're going to take out the ace of spades and the ace of clubs. So that we have, and jokers, of course, so that we have 50 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Try not to mix the cards up, please.
Try not to make it up.
Yeah, like don't make sure it's up with tens.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought you did. Shuffle.
No, we're gonna shuffle, but try not to like mix your deck of cards with the person next to you.
What are we taking out?
Ace of spades and ace of clubs. And jokers, because we want to have a sample of 50. Yeah, take those out. Come on, Evan. You're just messing with me at that point.
No, I feel like I should.
Ace of clubs, the black aces, and jokers. Get rid of jokers.
If you want to get rid of Joker, should I go to?
I don't know. We can't remove Tim from class. The Joker? You're a Joker.
I am. I'm the class clown.
One day.
All right.
Creator cards is $20.
So, number one, we just did. We have 50 cards so that we can have 14 people who yawned and 36 people who didn't get the yawn seed. And then we remove the ace of spades, ace of clubs. So down here at the bottom, it tells you we are going to use jacks, queens, kings, and aces. That's going to represent a yawn. And then 2 through 10 is they didn't yawn. Okay? Everybody got that? All right, so flip it over. Part 2, we're going to shuffle the cards well. And you're going to deal 2 piles. And you're going to deal 1 pile that has 34 cards. This represents the yawn seed group. And 16 in the other pile, that means they had no yawn seed. And then you're going to record the number that were given the yawn seed that actually yawned. So jacks, queens, and kings from your group of 34. Everybody know what you're doing? Make 2 piles, one of 34, one of 16.
Can you change it if we did 34 or also?
That's up to you. The shuffling,
I think it will change the outcome.
you think so? Well, we can study that next.
Okay, I did it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. I wanted to make sure I actually got rid of all the cards I needed to. So, P hat 1, that's going to be the number that yawned with the yawn seed. So you're taking your group of 34 and you're going to count the number of jacks, queens, kings, and aces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 out of 34. Now, what are the odds of that? Means I got the same as the Mythbusters.
We could figure that out, couldn't we?
We could.
What are we looking for in 34?
Just the
Jacks,
king.
queens, kings, and aces.
So the way it's the top card.
2, 3, 4. No way. Everybody good so far? Giovanna.
I have my piles.
All right.
I'm waiting on you.
Then you're gonna do it 4 more times. Since we have so many kids absent, let's see, there's 9 of you. I guess we all do it 5 times, including me. That's 50 times. So we just did trial 1. So you're gonna move that information down here.
All the cards are current numbers, so like Jacks,
Oops, that's 16. So the information you just wrote down, you're going to move down here for trial 1, and you're going to do it 4 more times. Okay? So we should each have 5 trials.
I think Miss Willow's training for black.
Is it the first one?
She's training us to be like casino.
Huh?
So
Is it the yeah. Are aces counting space cards?
Yeah, it's jacks, queens, kings, and aces.
What if the proportion is smaller?
So you can get a negative difference if the smaller proportion is your P1, P half 1. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've always known how to do this. My parents taught me, I shouldn't say this while I'm being recorded, but my parents taught me how to shuffle and gamble from a young age. All about what?
Card games.
Yeah, my parents.
My great grandma was very specific about it, and like who you could like, how you had to deal. Like,
Yes,
how you do this.
that's the way I was taught.
Got 11 like What are the chances of that? Miss Willow? I got 11.
No way.
Yeah. There's 8 in this pile. Where's 3?
My pen is dying on me. Mel knows how to do the bridge too. You're not picking on her, Skylar.
I hate people that do sideways shuffling like this. It's annoying.
I'm gonna start doing that just to
It looks like a
annoy you.
5-year-old's trying to shuffle.
What are those cards? Those cards aren't regulation.
They're from
Puerto
Puerto
Vallarta.
Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta?
Yeah.
What is
No, unfair. Which one?
We have another
The one in
this
Jalisco?
Yeah.
There's 2 of them.
that? My dad is from Jalisco.
There's, because they have states in Mexico, there's more than, kind of like there's a Medford, Maine. So there's 2 Puerto Vallartas.
Go to the fun one.
I'm sure they're all fun.
Usually when I work with school during your birthday. Just you said during your birthday.
I keep paying for it.
No way. You need to shuffle better.
I am.
December 6th or 9th.
Oh yeah.
And my birthday's December 12th. But I'm going to they end December 16th. So chances are I'll have my birthday.
Experiment is there's so many variables in the Yawning experiment and there's like cars.
Like what?
What kind of person
Got me all.
someone is, like you said, if they're sympathetic or whatever. Cars can't be sympathetic.
Are you sure?
Little.
Yeah.
Not even
At the
that,
end
can
of
you?
class, can I leave like 2 minutes early so I can look at my head before my phone?
I suppose. It's what
I'm
I
a little
just did, but I
parched.
caught them before they fell.
You count cards so late.
No, this is my favorite pen. I hate it when pens die. You, like, get
Everything dies in
attached
life.
to
You
them,
have to lick it.
and then I am not gonna lick the pen. Nice try.
It will work.
Just look at the ancient.
I feel like it's one of those things that you tell the teacher just to see if they'll actually
I do it, so I guess I'm a weirdo.
Well, that's okay if you're a weirdo. I don't need to be a weirdo.
Yeah, I only got 2 of the same. I only got 11 and 10.
I got 4 3 times.
No, yeah, so 4, I got 3.
Where's my blue pen?
6. Come on.
Oh, whatever.